Good morning, AJ Simmons here, and I want to give you your morning motivation. So here we go. I'm going to tell you the number one reason that you and most people won't quit their jobs, and it's simply because of one thing, and most people think it's fear. Fear definitely plays a huge part in this, but it's not fear. What it is love. Love is the reason why most people won't quit their job, because they love the things that they have more than they love what the life that they desire to have. So in other words, if you hate your job so much like you say you do, and you don't want to be in that position, and you feel like you want a life where you can have the freedom to do what you want when you want that, but you also want to keep the car that you drive right now. You also want to keep the living conditions that you drive right now. You also want to keep the type of clothes that you wear right now. You also want to keep the entertainment that you have right now. And you're afraid that if you quit your job, you might lose those things. So fear is playing a part, but the love for those things is what's really keeping you at that job. And if you don't believe me that the love is a stronger factor than the fear, you just ask a mom, for example, what she would do if she was walking down the street and a big pit bull was charging towards her child. Even if the mom was terrified of that pit bull, she would react and protect her child, because the love is stronger than the fear is. So what you have to do is make a decision that you love a successful life and a life of freedom more than you love the things that you currently have in your life. That's what it's going to have to come down to. That's why before I got into entrepreneurship and before I quit my job, I already made my mind up that no matter what, as much as I love my cars, as much as I like to wear certain clothes, as much as I like to go out and all of this, I made the decision that I will still stay true to this no matter what happened, even if I lost any of the things that I was enjoying at the current moment with a job. Because I understand that that's what can happen with entrepreneurship. You can lose all of those things, but at the end of the day, they're things, and they can always be regained and rebought and so on. So you got to figure out what you love the most. What do you value the most in your life? Is it the life that you want to live? Is it that freedom? Or is it those things? I'm not saying one is right or wrong. You just got to figure out what you love the most. Alright? You won't be afraid of losing those things if you decide that you don't love those things. It's okay to like those things and want those things, but you don't have to love them. And that's what I had to do. And I know in my particular case, I went and bought a car that I really have a strong emotional attachment to. However, I made the conscious decision that the life that I want to live, that freedom that I want to have, is more important than that. So once I get out here in this entrepreneur world, if I have to lose that car, then so be it. Because I can get another one, and probably a better one. Alright, so you just got to make that decision in your life. If you're serious about quitting your job, if you're serious about becoming a real entrepreneur and a real business owner, then you need to make up your mind and understand that it's a possibility that you can lose those things that you have and be okay with it. I'm not saying don't fight to keep it if you need to fight to keep it and you put yourself in that position, but just understand that it may come a time where you have to part with those things, and you have to be okay with it and still keep going in this journey if you want to be successful in entrepreneurship, and if you really want to be serious about quitting your job. Alright, so make up your mind, decide what you love the most, and you can make it happen. So thank y'all for watching, subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. This is AJ Simmons. I wish you a great day today, and let's be prosperous.